Welcome to this walking meditation. This moving meditation is a great option if you're in the middle of writing or working and you want to clear the mind and get the body moving after sitting for a long period of time. So we'll begin by changing our scenery. So whatever room you've been working in, just stand up and walk into a different room or maybe walk outdoors. And it's best to do this barefoot so you can take off your shoes or your socks. Once you're in the new room, just begin by taking very slow steps. We're going to try to time these with our breath. So lift your right leg with your inhale. And as you exhale, you place it down very slowly, feeling the heel touch down, the ball of the foot, and the toe. And then repeat with the left leg. So you lift the left leg with your inhale, the knee rising in front of you. And with the exhale, you slowly place the leg down, heel to toe. And repeat on the other side. These slow steps. Walking in a circle around the room, stepping slowly. Inhaling as you lift the leg and exhaling as you place the foot down in front of you. Continue for a few moments walking in this slow, steady manner, timing your steps with your breath. Notice every point of contact that your foot has with the ground. And as you step, notice how the knee joint feels. Notice how the ankle feels. Become aware of every part of the leg, the hip, the knee, that's needed to allow you to step. And now we'll speed up the steps slightly, so still timing it with your breath. Now when you're inhaling, you'll step the right foot forward. And when you're exhaling, you'll step with the left foot. And you can start to move more in a figure 8 pattern around the room. Inhaling, right foot steps. Exhaling, the left foot steps. Notice how your arms sway as you walk. Notice the movements of the body. Allow yourself to walk fluidly, gracefully around the room. and then we'll speed up the steps one more time. So now you're taking 2 steps with every inhale, right foot and left foot, and 2 steps with every exhale, right foot and left foot. Allow yourself to walk chaotically around the room in any direction that your legs feel drawn to. Inhale, right foot, left foot. Exhale, right foot, left foot. Just let your arms and your shoulders be loose. If your arms want to flail, if your shoulders want to roll, if your head wants to hang heavy or roll from side to side, just let the movements of your body be free. Now bring yourself back to the center of the room. After the chaotic walking, we'll just find a moment of stillness, centering ourselves in the middle of the room. So stand completely still. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Just allow your mind to remain with the physical sensations of the breath. Where do you feel your breath in the body? You can also become aware of any warmth or energy that's moving through the body after that walking meditation. Where do you feel heat or movement happening within the body? And do you feel how it changes with each breath? Then slowly you can let your awareness come to the sounds around you. Start opening the eyes and bringing yourself back to the present moment.